Good morning, guys. Here we've got Honor View 20, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First, open your phone dialer. Now enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. This is the first one that we can use. And this one will provide you with IMEI and serial numbers, so they're all displayed here. To exit, just mark OK. Another code that you can use on your Honor is *pound 225 pound *. And here we've got the calendar info. So once you want to see all upcoming events in one place, smoothly provide this code, and here it is. Let's go back. And now another code that you can also use here is *pound 426 pound *. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. And if you want to explore it a bit more, select more icon and mark advanced view. So here it is. That would be all. And these are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.